time that I attended the WOSAS was in Korea. And I'm so glad that WorldVex is the one sponsoring this, the one organizing this, because they're the ones also who organize that. What is so exciting about now is that there's so much to look forward to. It's like bringing the future now.
We in the Philippines, of course, are trying to catch up, no, for this technology in robotics. Of course, we would like to have our people or our students be educated more about the importance of robotics. That's why this updated technology that is being displayed on by WOSI every year.
I am really doing my part to help communities be more prepared by doing free talks and helping them plan more and increase their capacity before any calamity or disaster.
So this facility po is an upgraded emergency disinfection system na pwede pong gamitin ng mga disaster-stricken communities para magkaroon po sila ng potable water.
Ito pong nandito sa kanan ko ay tawagin natin Loop 60. Ginagamit po namin siya sa advanced firefighting tulad po sa mga warehouse, industrial at mga high-rise building. Nandito sa kaliwa ko ay kung tawagin ay water filtration. Ginagamit po namin ito pag merong bagyo at lindol na nagaganap sa mga karatig lugar na po natin. At yung nandito pa po sa kaliwa ko ay yung ating flood truck. Ginagamit po siya pagka mayroon pong mga lugar na baha para po mabilis po humupa ang baha.
Ito po yung Autopulse na kayang may kakayahan magbigay ng chest compression or CPR sa isang tao na from second floor ililipat natin sa ambulansya.
Kami ang Philippine Coast Guard. We are inviting everyone to come visit us here at WOSAS Expo 2023 until August 12, Saturday. Thank you, WOSAS 2023. Booyah!
PUPS